Hello student, good morning to all of you. Myself Vikas Kumar Suman, Math Faculty, KDPS Nangli Sakravati, Najafgarh, New Delhi. Proprietor Brain Boost Academy, Ranaji Enclave near Madan Clinic. Certified Vedic Math Teacher. Today we will discuss about our next SST chapter. Chapter 8. How the lands becomes sacred. Exploring society, India and beyond. This chapter explains how certain places in India become sacred, holy, and why people respect them. It also shows how rivers, mountains, forests, and pilgrimage sites help connect people across the country. What is sacredness? Sacredness means considering something holy, special, and worthy of respect. It may be a temple, mosque, church, monastery, or shrine. A river, mountain, forest, or tree. A pilgrimage journey. A place connected with a saint, guru, or divine event. People believe such places bring peace, spiritual strength, and blessing. How does land become sacred? Land becomes sacred when people connect it with religious belief, stories and legends, saints and spiritual teachers, pilgrimage and festivals, natural features like river and mountains. Over many generations, people visit these places, worship there, and pass their traditions to their children. Gradually, the land itself becomes sacred. Sacred places in different regions. India has many sacred places belonging to different regions. Hinduism, Badrinath, Rameshwaram, Jagannath Temple, Varanasi. Buddhism, Bodh Gaya, Sanchi Stup. Jainism, Mount Abu, Shatrunjaya. Sikhism, Akhal Takht Sri Patna Sahib. Islam, Ajmer Sharif, Dargah. These sacred places attract millions of visitors every year. What is pilgrimage? A pilgrimage is a journey to a sacred place in India. People travel a long distance to visit holy sites. Such a journey are called Tirth Yatra. Benefits of pilgrimage: strengthens faith, brings people together, helps spread ideas and culture, encourages trade and travels. Pilgrims from different regions meet and learn about each other's language, foods, and customs. Next, sacred geography of India. This chapter introduces the India of sacred geography. This means that many sacred places are spread across the country and connected through pilgrimage routes. Example, Char Dham pilgrimage, Jyotirlingas, Shakti Pithas, Buddhist pilgrimage circuits. Because pilgrimage travels from one region to another, the entire country becomes connected through shared traditions. Next, rivers as sacred. Many Indian rivers are considered sacred. Example, Ganga River, Yamuna River, Godavari River, Narmada River. People believe these rivers give life, support farming, and provide water. Therefore, they are respected and worshipped. Mountain and forest. Many mountain and forest are also considered sacred. Example, Himalayas, sacred hills and forest protected by local communities. People often believe that gods, goddess or spiritual life in these places. As a result, forests are protected and trees are not cut unnecessarily. Sacred groves. Sacred groves are small forests protected because they are believed to be holy. Features: trees are not cut, animals are protected, nature is preserved. These groves help conserve biodiversity and teach people to respect nature. How sacred geography united in India. In ancient times, people traveled across India for pilgrimage. This helped spread knowledge, exchange ideas, develop trade, create cultural unity. People from different regions met each other and felt connected to the same land. Thus, sacred geography helps in the cultural integration of India. Protecting sacred places. Today, many sacred rivers and sites face problems such as pollution, plastic waste, deforestation, overcrowding. The chapter teaches us that If we truly respect sacred places, we should also keep them clean and protect our nature. Key point for exams. Sacredness means holiness and deep respect. Land becomes sacred through beliefs, stories, saints, and pilgrimage. Pilgrimage is called Tirth Yatra. Sacred geography connects different parts of India. Rivers, mountains, forests, and trees can also be sacred. Sacred growth helps protect nature. Pilgrimage promotes culture, unity, and exchange. Sacred places should be protected from pollution. That's it. Thank you.